Hello everyone, welcome to Sci-Ease. In the last video, we discussed about the states of matter. I told you that matter exists in three states: solid state, liquid state, and the gaseous state. Now, next topic is, can matter change its state? I will take the example of water. Water that exists as ice in the solid form. It exists as water in the liquid form and water vapor in the gaseous form. So, for this, we will perform one activity. Now, there are some questions you can say, why this change that has taken place? What happens to the matter when this change takes place? And what happens to the particles of the matter when this change occurs? We will perform one activity. We will take a beaker and put 150 grams of ice in it and put a laboratory thermometer so that its bulb that is inside the ice. Now start heating it. What you will observe that after some time the ice starts melting. So what is that point known as? The temperature at which the solid melts to become the liquid at atmospheric pressure, that is known as the melting point of ice. Record that. Where the ice melts? It melts at 0 degrees Celsius and in Kelvin scale, it is 273.16 K. So what melting point is? I have told you. Now I have told you that there is change of the solid state to the liquid state. What is this process known as? This is known as fusion. Okay, so this is known as fusion. Fusion is a process in which the solid state change into the liquid state. When we are heating the system, we will see that the heat supplied cannot change the temperature. Why? Because that heat supplied, that will overcome the force of attraction between the molecules and the solid that will change into the liquid. So that is known as latent heat. That heat is hidden. Latent means hidden. So I want to tell you latent heat of fusion. The amount of the heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of solid into the liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point. This is the latent heat of fusion. Now, the solid ice that is changed into the liquid. What happens when we supply heat? The molecules of the solid, they will gain kinetic energy and they will start moving here and there. The bonds, they will break. That heat will overcome the force of attraction existing between the molecules and the solid that is changed into the liquid. Now, next thing, you go on heating this system, liquid, that is water. We will go on heating water. What we will observe? that after some time, the water that will start boiling. Keep on stirring the mixture. The water will start boiling. What is that point known as? What is that temperature known as? That is known as boiling point. So what is boiling point? That is the temperature at which the liquid starts boiling at atmospheric pressure. That is the boiling point. And boiling point of water, you must be knowing, that is 100 degrees Celsius, and in Kelvin scale, you are to add 273, that is equal to 373 K. So sometimes the question is there, convert this temperature into degrees Celsius into the Kelvin. Suppose this is 10 degrees Celsius. You are to change it into the Kelvin. So what you will do? 10 plus 273. It is equal to how much? This is 283 K. In the same way, sometimes it is asked that change this temperature. Suppose this is 373. Okay? Change this temperature K into degrees Celsius. What you will do? 373 minus 273, it is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius, I have told you, it is the boiling point of water. Here also, the process of boiling that results in change of the liquid state to the gaseous state, and this is known as vaporization. And in the same way, you can define latent heat of vaporization. Now here, in the liquid state, again when we are supplying heat, more and more kinetic energy that will be gained by the molecules. They will start moving here and there, and the liquid state that will be changed into the gaseous state or the water vapors. So, I have told you about the boiling point. Now, one thing I want to tell you, sometimes here I have told you that solid is changed into the liquid, okay? And vice versa. This is a reversible reaction. Liquid that can again change into ice by freezing, okay? And solid that can be changed into the liquid by heating, and then liquid that can be changed into gaseous form, and gases, they can also be changed into the liquid by the process of condensation. Okay? But in some cases, solid form that is directly changed into the gaseous form. What is that known as? The process in which the solid form that is directly changed into the gaseous form, that is known as sublimation. And the substances which can sublime, they are ammonium chloride, iodine, camphor, kapoor we use during aarti, or you can say naphthalene balls. They can sublime. One thing I want to tell you, that carbon dioxide gas, that can be changed into its solid form directly without the intermediate liquid form, and that carbon dioxide is known as dry ice. The next point is, I have told you about the effect of the temperature, how the states they are changed. Is there any effect of the pressure also? Yes. When we apply pressure, the molecules, they will come closer to each other, and the gaseous molecules, they will be changed into the liquid form. So applying pressure and reducing temperature can liquefy gases. So that is also that you should know. Now I have drawn this one flow chart, you can say. Solid, that can be changed into liquid, fusion process. Liquid can be changed into gaseous form by vaporization process, and solids, they can be changed into the gaseous and vice versa by the sublimation process. Okay, gases, they can be changed into liquid by condensation, I've told you. Okay, and liquid, that can be changed into solid by solidification or by freezing. So that's all about, can matter change its state? Yes, matter can change its state. Now only the last topic about evaporation we will discuss in the next video. Must revise all these things. Till then, thank you very much. Thank you.